Hey folks, it's Papa's Kitchen. Alright, so I'm fixing to show you the bacon and the chicken and all that, but first we got to come up with some kind of ingredients, don't we? So here we go. I got olive oil, cilantro, 2 lemons. I went through the house and I found some garlic powder, some chili powder, some red hot sauce, some ground cumin, and some cayenne pepper. I'm not going to make it hot. It's just a little flavoring into it. Start off, we want a cup of oil. Tell me to stop when you think I got a cup. Huh. You didn't say stop. Alright, we may be adding a little bit more of that here. We will see. Alright. Garlic powder. That should work. Some chili powder. Come on. That must be old. Some chili powder. Ah, crap. Oh, sorry. Papa didn't mean to say a bad word. A dash for the splash. Look at that. Whoop. Hope that wasn't too much for Papa. Just a little bit of this. Papa, how much of that did you put in there? I don't know. See my answer on that. Flavor of the day. So my charcoal is going to be on one side and I'm going to cook them on the other, and then at the end when the chicken's done I'll move it right over on top of the charcoals so we can get, probably need a spoon, put it right over the charcoal so the bacon will crisp up. And Papa loves thick bacon, but guess what, I got thin bacon. Sometimes doing things like that, the thick bacon won't work. Did I do everything? Cilantro, like that. Alright, so now comes this part. We're just going to put the chicken on here. I'm going to put 2 pieces on each one. I'd actually go one more on this one. You get the idea. These are going to be good, man. Did I ever tell you I like to cook? So now we're going to stick them in here. I hadn't started the fire yet because I'm going to let these set for about an hour. So we'll be back. We'll be back to play. Get them all cilantro-fied. I can smell the garlic. Okay folks, Papa's back. It's time to put the bacon on the chicken. On a stick. There's a couple ways to do this. We can just do it like this, because I got so much chicken on here. Just hope that it stays. A lot of times what I'll do with a shorter stick, I'll put the bacon on this end and then on this end after I wrap it around there. But too long of a stick. This is going to be awesome, man. Look at this. If you like chicken and you like bacon, how can you go wrong? Check it out. That's what it's going to look like. Isn't that awesome? It really is. That's what I have. Let's put the lid on that. Next step. Gonna dump that charcoal and get this on there offset, whatever. We're gonna do this. Flip, flip. That actually helped it out. All right. See if we can get all these to fit on here. Alright, I don't know about that one right there. Alright. There we go. I'm gonna say the chicken's done. Huh. Well, you get the gist of it. Cops are coming, the cops are coming. Ooh, this one right here. That's the one going on my plate. Alright folks. So we're at the point that we're gonna do the taste test. Look at that. Ah, yeah. Bubba. There you go. See what you think about that. Papa's gonna take.